Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to add music to your snaps on Snapchat and basically how to create Snapchats with music in it. It's actually really easy to do with Snapchat's new update. So you just want to make sure you go to your app store and you make sure your Snapchat is fully updated to the newest version, and the music update will then be on your Snapchat. Once that is done, you can go over to Snapchat and open it up. And then once you get on Snapchat, you'll notice there's a new music icon on the right side of your screen. You can go ahead and click on that. And then these are all the songs that Snapchat has so far. There isn't a ton on here yet, but I do have hope they're adding more, because as we see at the top with the Justin Bieber song, it says premiere, which means to me that they're adding more eventually. They just have to get the rights to use it from the content producers and stuff like that. Anyhow, you just want to click a song that you like on here. And then you could use this little drag motion on this line of song right here just to find the portion of the song that you want to listen to on your snap. You could obviously test it out by clicking on the play button to the right of it as well. And then you can go ahead and take a picture and record a video, whatever you would like to do. And then right away, it will then generate that little icon, and then your music will then play in your background. Very easy to do. And then you're able to go ahead and send it to your friends. So I'll just take a picture of my screen right here and click the send button. And then you can go ahead and send it off to whoever you would like to. Very, very easy to do. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get this. If this was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.